The gods give us stone. We give it a soul.
Foreman, the rope frays!
The rope will hold. Pull!
It burst! Hold on! We are falling! The block, it is loose! Get clear of the ramp! The rope! Hori! You said it would hold. Here! The angle is wrong. Put the fulcrum here.
Now!
This stone is worth more than 10 of you.
Move it! Or join him. The runner is cracked, Overseer.
The grain is stressed. 2 more pulls, it will splinter. The block will slide. It will clear the ramp.
Heave! Pull! Keep the rhythm now. Move the stone up.
Perfect. Perfect. The Vizier demands it.
Is there a flaw in the stone?
The flaw is not in the stone. The gods favor patience, not haste. Emunu's weakness is his structure. We will collapse it. Let his precision be his tomb.
Hold! Do not pull!
Order from chaos, stone from dust. This is the work of gods through men. Work as one, lift the stone high. Build the house for the King of the Sky.
Your ramp! Overseer! Overseer! It has killed them all!
Move faster, you dogs!
Lift! 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 Lift!
Keba. He wove it yesterday.
They are just meat now. Less than meat. They are fill. Get back to work.
They promised a stairway to the gods. They only built a tomb on top of a tomb.
A stairway for the god himself.
The gods don't care about frayed rope. Move it! Now!
We were not building a stairway. We were just the stones beneath his feet.
For the glory of Khufu!
Many sons build the pyramid. It will be sealed by you.